Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share it with you guys all products that internet made me buy them. So let's get started with all the
So
products.
the
So
first
first product that I'm going to share is this Mars Double Trouble mascara, and I have been eyeing over this product quite a long time because my best friend has been telling me, well, when she bought this product, and I was like, I want this product but I couldn't get my hands on. But luckily my friend went to India and I told him, please buy me for this product, and he was kind enough to buy this for me. So yeah, this is the packaging, and I have not used it. So some of the products I'm going to share are I have been using it for like 1 month, and some products are new, as you can see by the packaging. So this is the Double Trouble mascara by Mars. And I'm not a mascara person, but I really wanted to try one. Let's see how I like it or not. So it has two steps. It has step one, that is for lengthening length, and the second step is volume. I don't know if this works, but I'm going to use it and maybe I'll review it later, not right now. So yeah, and I'm going to show you the wand. So this is the length for the step one. This is how it looks, and this is step two. This is for volume. So when you do step two, the product comes little more than step one. I don't know if this works, but let's see. And I have a really good high hopes on this product. So let's get to the second product, and it is also from the brand Mars. So my second product is this Tools of Titan. Tools of Titan brush set. It is the set of 8 brush sets, and it comes in two variants. So first one, it has the brush holder with it, and the second one is it doesn't come with a brush holder. But if you are buying this, I would suggest that you should buy the brush holder one because it's hygienic, and you cannot like जर तुम्हाला कुठे ब्रश ठेवायचा असेल तर असं पडलेले असतात तर त्याच्यापेक्षा it's better to have a brush holder. So the hygienic पण आहे. So yeah. And it has 8 brushes. It has foundation, powder brush, concealer, blending brush, pencil brush, eyeshadow brush, angled liner brush, and cream brush. I am a makeup beginner, so I don't know anything about this. म्हणजे I know like how it works and all, but I've never used a like brush for makeup in my life, so I don't know. So I'm not a right person to tell about brush, but I am learning. So yeah, this is how it looks. The packaging is like this, and the one thing that I really liked about this brushes is like, so as I'm a beginner, I said, so every brush has written over there what is for what. So this is for powder brush. So yeah, this is kind of beginner feeling, but I really liked it, and it's hygienic to have a brush holder rather than to keep all your brushes open. So yeah, this is the thing that I liked about this brush set, and I will review it once I use it. As you can see, this is the new one. So yeah. So the third product that I'm going to share is yet another from an Indian brand. This is the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. It says it claims that it cleans pores and reduces blackheads, improves skin clarity and tone. I have heard a lot about this, and really internet made me buy this because I all over my Instagram I was seeing this foxtail mask, and I wanted to use foxtail mask since a long time. So I thought, let's buy this. I'm going to show you how this product looks like. I will also make maybe a review video of this mask using it like before and after. Maybe the next video would be that. So this is the oxtail mask, and it also has a mini spatula to make, like, it's to just be hygienic and not put your hand when you are applying the product. So yeah, this is the Brazilian clay mask, and I really have a good and high hopes on this. So let's see. So you have to, the product says you have to keep it for 15 minutes. And I don't know if this is acne safe or not, but when I will use this mask, I will review this for sure, and I will make a separate video out of it. So yeah, this was all my first impression about all these products. So the next product is this Clinique. Oh, sorry. So the next product is this Clinique All About Eye Serum. I never purchased any eye serum, and this one was my friend's suggestion. She uses this brand and I never used this. It's a very good brand. It doesn't have any scent, and I hate the brands with any skincare brand which has fragrance. I don't, and no offense if you are using it, but preferably I don't like it. So yeah, that's my personal opinion. No hate towards anyone. So this is how the product look like, and you just have to roll on. That's it. But it has a good quantity, and it doesn't. I think so. It will last you 2 months or maybe more. It depends upon how you use, but whenever you use it, it gets used very little. So yeah, this is a good point, and it's a dermat recommended brand. So, and no fragrance, so it's very good brand, but it's little towards an expensive. So to try it, I'll definitely tell you that it would be worth it because it is good for oily acne prone skin. I am using it, and my dark circles, I don't have dark circles basically, but whatever I had that are completely gone. Some little bit are remaining, but yeah, this one has helped me a lot. And the metal thing that it has, it's very calm and cool, so I really like this product. And the next one is also from the same brand, Clinic Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It is the small variant over this, and this also doesn't have fragrance, but it's, as I said, it's a little expensive side, but I am loving it. And this is the consistency. So yeah, you can also use this moisturizer in morning as well as you can use this in night. It depends, you can use both the time, but preferably I use this in mornings, and I have also purchased a night cream that I'm going to show you right now. So the next product is this, and I have been talking about this brand a lot, the CeraVe brand. And if I talk about this, the video will never end, as you can see, because I have used the cleanser, the serum, and then next is this, and it doesn't have fragrance, and it also has niacinamide in it, and it doesn't feel you oily. I just use a little bit amount. I don't just apply it in a lot of proportion. Little proportion is also like good. So yeah, right now I'm using it. I'm not feeling any bad experience. I cannot share any bad experience. I have been loving this product. I have been almost using it for 3 weeks, so I can say that this is a good product. And maybe when it gets finished, I will also make an empty video, like product empties, when this will get over. So yeah, stay tuned for that as well. The one product that is remaining, one last product I'm going to show you. So the last product, that is this Tony Moly avocado mask shake. This is the product that I am not going to recommend because it has little bit alcohol and fragrance, so that I'm not a fan of. But I purchased it because I got a deal on it. So yeah, it's very hydrating, but I don't want to suggest any product that has alcohol or a fragrance. So it's on you. If you want, if alcohol or fragrance suits you, you can try this. This has not made any bad impact on my skin. But if you want to avoid those two ingredients, I don't recommend this one. So yeah, this is the only product that I won't suggest. But if you get any deals and if you want to try, you can surely try. Maybe you can just buy one product and then see if that suits you, then you can buy a bigger product. I usually do that when I go to Sephora, and maybe if I buy one product, I'll get thousands of samples, and then I can see that if that product is working for me, and then I go buy the bigger product. I will never buy a bigger product directly. So yeah, this is one tip that I always follow for myself, and if you found this helpful, do let me know. That's was all about it. This was all the products that internet made me buy. And also my best friend, she's also one that she always tells me about that Mars mascara and the brush set. So I thought, let's give it a try. So yeah, that's all about it for this video. If you found this helpful, little bit also, do like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.